I've been trying to be really good lately about posting these inspirational videos to start the day, and there was no real reason behind it. I just wanted to spread some love and joy. And to be honest with you, sometimes I feel like shit. I know other people feel like shit, and I would like to do very little things that I can do to pay it forward. And I was getting this. I got this message the other day. Somebody was asking about staying positive when things are tough. They're battling depression, going through things, and they were just wondering what my take was on that and the tips, what I do to kind of keep my head above water. The truth of the matter is that sometimes I feel like shit. Today is not a beautiful day. It's cloudy and cold and rainy and muggy, and I've been bombarded with text messages and phone calls and just dumb bullshit, like just to throw me off a little bit. But I always think of this when I start to get a little bit irritated or even down. I think life is so meaningful when you have a purpose. If you don't feel like you have a purpose, you should really take the time out to think about what your purpose is. And I think about that. That helps quite a bit. I feel like my purpose is to be inspirational, creative, try to change as many people's lives as I can, any way that I can. Also, life is very short. This mortal life is very, very short. Every moment counts. And not only does every moment count, but every moment you have an opportunity to do something different and to change it up. And the power and knowledge of that is enough, should be enough to get those positive juices flowing. Doesn't matter what circumstance or situation you're in, you can always find an opportunity to climb out of that. So I just wanted to make this quick video because I didn't make one this morning. This is a little bit longer than what I usually do. But you know what? Just wanted to spread nothing but love and joy to you. So if you're seeing this video and you need to see it and you want to share it with somebody that needs a pick-me-up, please do that. All right? I'll talk to you later. Peace.